So students, today we will study determination of pH of a solution using hydrogen electrode and quinhydron electrode. In the previous lecture we had studied the determination of pH of a solution using glass electrode. So I am starting with determination of pH using hydrogen electrode. So when hydrogen electrode is used, it acts as a cathode, and the electrode reaction in this case is given by 2H positive plus 2 electron, you can see on the screen, forming hydrogen gas. So the electrode potential in this case is given by Nernst equation and can be written as E is equal to E naught plus RT upon F natural log H positive concentration. So if I wish to replace natural log, then I can write E is equal to E naught plus 2.303. I have highlighted the modified terms in red. So E is equal to E naught plus 2.303. RT remains as such, RT upon F log of H positive. So I changed natural log by 2.303 log. So finally putting the value of R, gas constant, and temperature equal to 298 Kelvin and Faraday, I can write E is equal to E naught plus 2.303 into 8.314 into 298 upon 96,500 into log H, because standard temperature is taken as room temperature, so almost 25 degrees centigrade, so it is equal to 298 Kelvin and 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500. So on solving this, we get E is equal to E naught plus 0.0591 log H positive, because this whole term comes out to be equal to 0.0591. Now in this equation, we know that negative log of hydrogen ion concentration is equal to pH, but as log H concentration is present in the numerator, so I can write that 1 upon log H is equal to pH. So if log H positive concentration is in the numerator, then I can write pH in the denominator. So I will get E is equal to E naught plus 0.0591 upon pH. Now the electrode potential E naught for hydrogen electrode is 0. E naught is 0. So putting the value of E naught equal to 0, I can write E is equal to plus 0.059 upon pH. So from here, as pH is in the denominator, so we are having plus sign with the 0.0591. If I shift the pH from denominator to the numerator, then the symbol will change into minus and I can write E is equal to minus 0.0591 pH, or from this I can calculate pH is equal to minus E upon 0.0591. So this is the formula for determining the pH of a solution using hydrogen electrode.